Cast.
And we are in for another nice day across East Texas. A little breezy. We've got a few clouds up there, and certainly we're going to have warm temperatures. It's 78 degrees right now in Longview. We have a south wind at 17. Occasionally we gusts up to 25 miles per hour. They could be up to 30 miles per hour later today. And the air remains relatively dry with a relative humidity at 58%, but we have a little more moisture in the air than we've had over the last week or so. Futurecast shows that we do have the clouds with us right now. Temperatures expected to be around 80 degrees, and they are close with the south wind blowing. All of that is what we are showing currently. And Futurecast shows that later on this afternoon there could be a little shower activity that will be dotting the area, mainly the northwestern parts of the area, but no big chances of rain. Our probability of rain wherever you are in East Texas today is going to run less than 20%. We'll pick up a little more cloud cover overnight, becoming mostly cloudy, and you see by Friday afternoon we'll still have a pretty nice south breeze blowing. Temperatures in the 80s. Maybe some records will be challenged. We'll see a line of thunderstorms begin to develop back to the west there, and then starting into a Saturday early morning at 2 o'clock. North of I-20 and up toward the I-30 corridor could have some thunderstorms going through that area. Potential of some of those could be severe. And Saturday morning also up to 8 o'clock, a little after sunrise, we'll have a stationary front that will be drifting across the area, and a line of showers and thunderstorms developing with that, pushing on through East Texas. So Saturday we'll be looking at a possibility of severe weather just about throughout the afternoon and on into the nighttime hours. We'll have more showers and thunderstorms developing there Sunday morning. In fact, we're in for a rainy period here once it starts. That's going to be off and on into next week. As for Sunday morning and on into Monday morning, we'll have the clouds across the area. Temperature is getting a little bit cooler, as there will be some cooler air coming in behind that front. Meanwhile, a few showers will be dotting the area there by noontime on Monday. Now, here's the severe outlook. For today, we have that shifted to West Texas, where we have an enhanced risk for the eastern part of the Panhandle and the western sections of Oklahoma. There's a slight risk down into Texas, and nothing for East Texas as far as our chance of thunderstorms becoming severe. In fact, the chance for thunderstorms is very low itself today. But will be a potential for some tornadoes in that area back that you see in the tan there in the enhanced area, and a possibility of some large hail and some gusty winds with thunderstorms up to 70 miles per hour. That slight risk area will shift to the east, and Friday through early Saturday, especially Friday evening through early Saturday, we'll have a slight risk of severe storms in the area. All forms of severe weather will be possible. A low-end chance of tornadoes, and then the gusty winds with the thunderstorms could be as high as 70 miles per hour, along with some large hail. We'll shift down into deep East Texas there for Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and on into early Sunday. Meanwhile, the severe weather risk will also carry over into next week. On Tuesday, we'll have at least a chance of scattered severe storms in the northwestern portions of our area. Rainfall totals that you see here in the red, those could average up to 5 inches, and that's a total over the next 7 days. Here's a look at your next 7 days, and we'll have those thunderstorms moving in by Friday. Once they move in, we'll have a good chance of it lasting into next week, as you can see there, and the potential of severe weather will be with us, as I mentioned through the weathercast this morning. And for deep East Texas, we'll have showers and thunderstorms moving in on Friday, continuing into next week. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you, John.